let's get started with our paper pumpkin. To get started, you're just going to need orange paper, a green pipe cleaner, a glue stick, and some glue. We're going to start with that orange piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to cut on that fold. Now we're going to use that half sheet of paper to make 8 pieces. We're going to start by cutting that half paper in half as well. So fold it down the center and go ahead and cut that fold. Now take one of those pieces and you're going to fold it in half the tall way to make long pieces. Go ahead and cut that fold as well. Now each of those 2 pieces you're going to want to fold in half the tall way again and cut on the fold. Go ahead and repeat that on the other one. And now we're going to take that other half and do the same thing. That should leave you with 8 pieces. Now we need some circles. We used a spool of thread, but you can also use a spice container from the cabinet. And you want to trace a circle right around it. Once you've traced 2 circles, you're going to grab your scissors and go ahead and cut those out. Go ahead and take one of your circles, lay it down, and we're going to start adding those 8 strips to our circle. We're going to place glue onto the tip and attach it to the circle. Then you'll grab another strip, add some glue to just the end of it, and match it up with your other strip, making a straight line. Now we're going to add glue to the ends, adding 2 more to make a cross or a T. Go ahead and spin that so it looks like an X, and across that X we're going to make another T. So add some glue to the end, place it right in the center, and then add some glue again, and we're going to make that one into a straight line. It'll be our up and down line. And we just need one more line across, so let's grab those last 2 pieces, add some glue, and attach them to make a T. Now we have what kind of looks like a snowflake. From here, you're going to need to flip up each of the pieces one at a time, add glue, and attach them to our other circle. It's best to do its partner, which is across the way. So we'll reach over and add glue to that one and attach it to our circle as well. Then we're going to want to make our way all the way around the circle, attaching one piece at a time. Go ahead and let that dry. While you're letting it dry, go ahead and grab that green pipe cleaner. We're going to fold it in half and cut it into 2 equal pieces. Our first pipe cleaner, we're going to take and wrap around our finger to make a nice loose spiral that's going to become our vine. We'll take our other half of our pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it super tight all the way around a pencil. As you slide it off the pencil, it's going to turn into your stem. Now we're just going to add a big glob of glue right on top of our pumpkin and put our stem and our vine piece right on top. And there you have it, a cute little paper pumpkin that's fun for kids to make and makes a really cute decoration for the holiday season. Have fun with this project? Visit us for more projects by subscribing to our channel. We look forward to seeing you again soon for more fun and easy activities with the Super Science Squad.